Good morning, sunshine. Or maybe it's just a regular morning. Either way, we've got a face staring back at us in the mirror. Sometimes that face needs a little extra love. Puffy eyes, we've all been there. Oily skin, let's just say shine isn't always a good thing. But fear not, my friends, because I'm here to guide you through a morning skincare routine that's easier than teaching a cat to dance. We're going to break it down into 4 simple steps: cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen every day, even if it's raining cats and dogs. Think of it as your shield against the elements. And by elements, I mean everything from the sun to that questionable takeaway you had last night. This is your guide to a happier, healthier, and let's be honest, slightly less sleepy looking you. So grab your favorite products, and let's get the skincare party started. First up, cleansing. Think of this as the wake-up call for your face. We're washing away the night's sleep, any sweat, and maybe even that stray eyelash that's taken up residence on your cheek. But here's the thing, be gentle. Imagine you're washing a delicate china doll, not scrubbing a greasy pan. Use lukewarm water, a gentle cleanser, and massage it in with circular motions. And please, for the love of all things skincare, avoid getting soap in your eyes. We've all been there, and trust me, it's not a good look. Next up, toner. Now, I know some people think toner is just an extra step, but trust me on this one. Toner is like that friend who always has your back. It helps to balance your skin's pH, minimize pores, and get rid of any leftover dirt or makeup. Just soak a cotton pad with toner and gently swipe it across your face. And here's a little tip from yours truly. Avoid the eye area, unless you enjoy the feeling of 1,000 tiny needles poking at your eyeballs. Not speaking from experience or anything. Section 4, Step 3, moisturize like your life depends on it. Now for the really fun part, moisturizing. This is where we give our skin the hydration it craves. Think of it as a tall glass of water for your face. And yes, everyone needs a moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. The key is to find one that's right for your skin type. If you have dry skin, go for a richer cream. Oily skin, a lightweight gel is your new best friend. And don't forget to apply it to your neck too. We don't want our faces looking 10 years younger than our necks. Section 5. Step 4. Sunscreen. Your BFF, rain or shine. Last but not least, the most important step of all, sunscreen. I cannot stress this enough, people. Sunscreen is your best defense against wrinkles, sunspots, and everything in between. Think of it as a force field protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. And don't even think about leaving the house without it, even if it's cloudy outside. Those UV rays are sneaky little devils. So slather on a generous amount of sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. Your skin will thank you for it. Congratulations, my friend, you've made it. You've officially completed your morning skincare routine. Now go out there and face the day with confidence, knowing that your skin is glowing, radiant, and ready for anything. And remember, laughter is the best skincare product of all. So smile, it's good for your health and your skin.